team. Alright. Alam niyo po,
maraming salamat dahil Kuya Lam.
Tito Eric, Tito Gary, Kuya Ogie.
Next time po, huwag natin binabago ang script, Kuya. Hindi, alam mo.
when I met you, I am miracle.
Yes, let's chop. Dapat watch Eric.
Aside from singing, I also love to dance. So, here are some of the songs that made me move and groove from then till now. Araneta, let's dance! Maraming salamat po. Give it up for the A-Team! Grabe yung A-Team! Buhay pa ba tayo, guys? Of course, Araneta, we're not done yet. Marami pa tayong mga galawan at sayawan na kailangan gawin. So please, join me in singing and dancing along to this classic 90s hit. Here it is. Maraming salamat po to my ABS-CBN family, to my Star Music family who is also here. Saan yung Star Music family ko? Yes! Ayan sila. Maraming salamat po sa Star Music family ko and ABS-CBN Events family. Thank you so much po. Of course, Sir Roxy Liquigan, Sir Jonathan Manalo, si Miss Darwin Chang na wala ngayon, but of course, I feel her spirit, nandito rin pa rin siya. Ayan, maraming salamat din po Ate Mela, Kuya Franz Garcia, maraming salamat po Kuya Christian Almocera. Thank you so much Ate Simone. Si Ate Simone po na napakataas ng energy lagi sa Star Music. Yes. Ayan na nga, naririnig niyo po siya. And of course to the rest of the team, thank you so much. Maraming salamat din po syempre sa aking Star Magic family, Direk Lauren. Thank you so much for being here. Of course, Ate Edith Farinas, my handler, who was backstage with Ate Yani, who is my RM. Ate Yani, maraming salamat. And of course, our PR team at Star Magic, si Ate Tess Scooby, maraming salamat din po, and Ate Frances Hoson. Thank you so much po. And to our digital team, who has been covering behind the scenes of D10, thank you so much, Carol Navarro, Janela Garner, Pat Cafe, and of course, James Arellano. Maraming salamat po. And sending love to my Showtime family as well. Nakita ko sila dito. Maraming salamat po to my Asap Natin To family. Thank you so much po to my Star Creatives family as well. Dreamscape family. Si Ate Pao din. Thank you so much, Ate Pao, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo for me. And I'd also like to thank MCA Music, to my MCA Music family, which is now UMG. Maraming salamat. Alam ko nandito kayo. Punong abala ng pagbili ng ticket bago pa mag-selling si Ate Jackie. So, maraming salamat for being a part of my journey. And to all the Dianetics who are here, maraming salamat. You guys are the best. I love you guys. Thank you din po sa ilan pang mga kaibigan ko na nandito. Si Maki, thank you so much for being here. Ayan. And also si Buboy, thank you for watching. Thank you. Miss Pinky Tobiano, I love you, Achi. Thank you po sa support po ninyo. And to my parents again, to my mom, to my dad who are backstage. Marami silang preparations din for my concert. Sila yung unang nasa-stress bago pa ako. Ayan, syempre, ang magulang natin ay laging nandyan para sa atin. So I love you guys so much. Thank you to the both of you who flew in from Canada pa. And to my little sister, Linnell, you will always be one of my inspirations, one of the reasons for my smile. And syempre, to my family, andito rin ako dahil sa inyo. You guys are the very first ones who really believed in me, and I will never ever take that for granted. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. At dahil dyan, I'd like to dedicate this next song to my family. For all the... Ito na ng mga hugot songs ko during the pandemic. Siyempre, ako po kahit na papaano, nagpalungkot na rin sa ilang mga Dianetics dito. Nakikita ko yung mga tweets nyo, mga Instagram posts nyo na ito yung pinapakinggan nyo kapag medyo down kayo, gusto nyo mag-senti. So, I dedicate all of these songs to you guys. Here they are.